Because the system on the Golf 7 and Passat B8 are almost identical, I'll show them together in this tutorial. Of course, first you have to remove the door panel. Tutorials for both models can be found in the description or the information card.
Front door glass removal and reinstallation.
Once the panel is off, remove the large plastic cover. It's just plugged in and can be pulled out. Now reconnect the window switch and lower the side window to the correct height. So far enough that you can clearly see the fastening hooks through the strut of the window regulator. Then carefully press the hook inwards and pull the side window upwards at the same time. The same thing on the second strut of the window regulator. It is important to be careful here. We only want to push the hook back a little and not bend or break it. The side window can then be pulled up out of the door. When reinstalling, insert the side window correctly into the guides on the side. Then press the glass down and snap it back into the hooks. This can be a bit harsh and also makes a loud noise when it clicks into place. So don't be alarmed.
Replace window regulator.
The window regulator is attached to the door 4 times. So 2 times per guide rail. One of the nuts is behind the speaker. So of course you have to remove it. The speaker is riveted to the door. So there is nothing left but to drill out the rivets. You now have access to all 4 window regulator nuts.
Remove the window regulator motor from the window regulator.
The window regulator motor is attached to the window regulator with 3 screws. Remove all screws and remove and unplug the motor. To unplug, pull the red lock backwards and then press the plug to remove it from the motor. Now you can remove all the nuts from the guide rails. And then push the window regulator coil inwards. Squeeze the small hooks together and push the coil inwards into the door. The window regulator is now free and can be taken out of the door. When installing, simply follow all the steps shown backwards. After the window regulator has been unplugged once, you have to retrain it. With the ignition on and the door closed, hold the switch upwards for about 10 seconds, top dead center. And hold it down for about 10 seconds at the lowest point, bottom dead center. After that everything should work properly again. Good luck doing it yourself.